In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot your quiz results and understand why specific products or outcomes are being recommended using the responses section inside the RevenueHunt app. Let's start with a practical example. I have a skincare quiz that asks customers about their skin condition, age group, and allergies. Based on their answers, the quiz upvotes different product collections and recommends the most voted cleanser, toner, serum, and moisturizer on the results page. To begin troubleshooting, I'll preview the quiz and go through it as if I were a customer, selecting, for instance, 30 as my age group, normal skin type, and an allergy to aloe vera. After completing the quiz, I'll see my personalized product recommendations. Now, suppose I want to understand why a particular product, for example, the ordinary serum, was recommended instead of another option. To find out, I'll click the Analyze Response button. This takes me directly to the Responses section for my latest test submission. Here, I have two main ways to analyze the result. Using the Quiz Copilot assistant by clicking Analyze Response and typing something like, "Why was the ordinary serum recommended?" The assistant will review the quiz data and explain the logic behind the recommendation. For example, it might say, "The ordinary serum was recommended because the results page includes a serum slot configured to show products from the serums collection using the response-based recommendation system." Alternatively, I can manually inspect the response details. I can click directly on the product name, and the app will show me how many times that product was upvoted, excluded, or fixed in the quiz logic. In my example, the ordinary serum received 2 upvotes, one from the skin type, normal question, and another from the age group, 30s question, giving it the highest total score within the serum collection. That's why it appeared as the top recommendation. If I check another product, for example, Aloe Soothing Toner, the analysis might show that it was upvoted twice but excluded once due to the allergy to aloe vera question. That's why it wasn't displayed in the results. This same analysis method also applies to variable-based or personality-type quizzes, where results depend on a winning variable rather than product votes. For example, in a skin type quiz, each answer adds points to variables like dry, normal, or oily. On the results page, a section is displayed based on the highest scoring variable. I'll preview this quiz now to generate a new response. When I analyze my response, I can see which variables received votes. Dry received 3 votes. Normal received 2 votes. That's why the dry skin section was shown, while other sections were hidden. Hidden sections appear grayed out in the results analysis view, showing that their display logic conditions weren't met. If I click on a product from that results page, the app will tell me whether it was recommended because it was fixed, upvoted, or linked through a variable slot. And once again, I can use the Quiz Copilot to ask why a specific recommendation was made, getting a clear explanation of how the system arrived at that result. Finally, remember that you can analyze any response, not just latest test submissions. From your dashboard, open the Responses tab, select a response, and click Analyze to review or troubleshoot quiz outcomes from real customers. And that's it. That's how you can troubleshoot quiz results in the RevenueHunt app and better understand how each recommendation is generated. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.